I know I've had a lot of videos on this. So, hello, welcome back. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. Um, this is the final part of the shower. Right now, there is a pretty good mess going on because I had to pull everything out of the shower in order to get the curtain rod up. Yay! The curtain rod is finally in, which is wonderful. And so my friend who works on RVs came and helped me finish this. It's very, very kind of him to do. There was always also the silicone. I got some inexpensive stuff. I just wanted to be able to fill that in so it would look a little bit better. And so he was kind enough to go ahead and get that filled in. That looks good. So now this mirror or this medicine cabinet looks like it was always there. Well, kind of. It looks really good. I'm so pleased with that. But on to the shower. Sorry, I went a little too far. So here we are. We got that shower rod in. There's a couple of special things with this, which is really, really important. But the other thing, the big thing, the thing that is going to make it safe for me to get in and out of this shower. Look at this. I got stairs. I got a stair. And so it's great. It's about 4 inches off the ground, which is great for my step. And I got handles. Handles on both sides. Need to still finish that off. But still got the handles so I can get in and out. So get up and inside. This is terrific. Let me get here and then go with this rod, and it's so much safer to get in. I feel so much safer coming in. And the nice thing is looking at this, look at that shower head. My head just fits right under here. Perfect for me. So if you're over 5'4" might have to modify things a little bit, but I don't have to worry about that because I'm 5'4" and there's nobody else here. Midnight, she normally doesn't take showers, so I don't think I have to worry about that. But anyway, so then I've got this for the body and I can just move it around. Really, really great. So here's that curtain rod. Look at this. It is absolutely 100% perfect here. It is fantastic. Look at this. This is terrific. And it is solid as a rock. Normally there would be a rod that would go here to help hold this in place. This is as solid as you can possibly get it. Now, part of what helps is put these in instead of that bracket so that it helps hold it here to give it more strength in the center, which I thought that was a great idea, and I'm so glad I did that. I don't think the gentleman who helped was quite as sure about it as me. I was going to have it come in further, but when this rod went in, this was not going to fit here. So that went in about 6 inches, so made this one go in 6 inches. But again, it's very solid. It's going to hold a shower curtain with absolutely no problem at all. This is terrific. So then I've got my rods, or my handrails here to hold on. And I've got to put the right foot forward for it to be safer to get in and out. This is so great. Oh my goodness, that step is big and it's bamboo. It's on 2x4s to get it up off the ground to get that, that right height. And then in addition, look at that. It's higher off the ground. It's going to be much more usable. I am excited to have this just so done. It needs, things need to be put away. But I absolutely had to share this. This has been going on for so long. And unfortunately, because of my disability, I was not able to do that rod by myself. And a friend that could have helped broke her shoulder, unfortunately, and so that didn't work. And it's just everybody else is so busy. But yay, okay, look at that. That's a shower. I just got to put on the shower curtain, which I have, and it's in that little package back there in the corner. See back there? That's the shower curtain. It's clear. It's going to be good. Oh, I cannot even tell you how excited I am. How excited I am to share this with you. And I hope that you'll give me a thumbs up on this. This is a very good thing. So other things coming. Things are slower than I want them to be. And that's just really bottom line is that I have a mobility issue. Getting around is very hard. My left side is weaker, and getting things done sometimes it takes a lot more time than I really want it to. But this is done. I am going to get to take a shower without worrying about water going everywhere. I've got a step to get in. It's going to be absolutely 100% great. Oh my goodness. I hope you all will give me a good thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you will subscribe. And those of you that are subscribed, thank you very much. I have a lot to learn about YouTube and making these videos and so on. I only have my phone. I don't have a special camera. So I have a little bit of a learning curve. But I hope you'll stay with me and hit that subscribe button. And also the little notification bell so that you're notified when these come out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.